Namaste, खुश रहो बिटिया. This is JV Dr. Rakesh Sharma, Professor Department Organ of Medicine, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today we will discuss aphorism 28, in which we discuss mode of action, how homeopathic medicine work, कैसे medicines work करती है. As this nature's natural law of cure manifests itself in every uh, pure experiment and every true observation in the world, the fact is consequently simplest. It matters little what may be scientific explanation of how it takes place, and I do not attach much importance to the attempts made to explain it. But the following view seems to command itself as the most probable one, as it is founded on premises derived from experience. So, in this aphorism, Dr. Hahnemann says about the applicability and certainty of the nature's law of cure, that it works in all conditions, either disease belong to acute or chronic. It works, always works, if we follow in a proper way. This is the condition. And, and there is no applicability of how this law works. He gives much importance, much stress about the clinical applicability of this natural law of cure, because this is verified again and again in the clinical trial. So Hahnemann explains in this aphorism about the truth of nature's law of cure, and he does not give importance to how dynamics of body and remedy are working. He wants that everyone know the clinical applicability of this law, and I do not attach much importance to the attempts made to explain it. But the following view seems to commend itself as the most probable one. ये जो लॉ है ये सबसे ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव है जब हम बात करते हैं आइडियल क्योर की. तब हमें सिर्फ यही एक लॉ है जिस पे हमें वर्क करना है, जिस पे हमें चलना है, एज इट इज फाउंडेड ऑन प्रीमिसेस डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम एक्सपीरियंस, जिसको हमने कई बार वेरीफाई किया, जिसको हमने कई बार टेस्ट किया है. तब हम ये कह सकते हैं कि सिर्फ यही वर्क है जो chronic disease को permanently annihilate करेगा. So this is our 28 aphorism mode of action. Next aphorism we will continue this topic in 29 aphorism. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve